Try it one more time, y'all. Then I gotta go get my nuggets. Man, all those wilds and nothing. Got it. Briefcase. Ashley. Where are you at, Corey?
He's right there.
Oh, what?
Yeah, we got 3 of them on you. He turned his on.
What do you have? Kelly and I maybe tapped across there.
Absolutely.
Not good so far, guys. Not good so far. Come on, poker chip. Ah, poker chip, please. Save me, poker chip.
Seriously, I put him right outside the door of the garage. I put him on the
Got it. A good one, too.
Yeah.
Woo. Finally. Come on, save it. Give me some words. I think I got one more spin, or that was the last spin. I think that was the last spin.